Hello there, welcome to my channel. Are you ready to draw a cute sun using two-dimensional shapes? And then I'll show you how to turn it into a nice card. Well, let's get started. These are the materials that you will need along with an additional piece of paper. So let's start off by drawing a circle. Okay, so now with our circle, we're gonna draw triangles. So one line, a diagonal line up, down, and when you join it, it forms a triangle. So that's a big one. We'll do a smaller one and we'll just go all the way around. Okay. And then again, we're going to continue. So always a smaller and then a big triangle. So that represents the rays of the sun. There we go. Okay. All right, so now we are going to draw the face. So we're going to draw one line across and another one. And we're going to do a little arch, just like that. Then we're going to draw a line across like a little arch, and then the little pupils. Okay? And we're going to do sort of like a smile that's all the way up to the cheeks here. And we'll do a little nose, a little arch like that. Little lashes. If you want, you can do little freckles, little dots. Okay. All right. So we can color in the little cheeks, bit of the pink here. And we can start coloring the sun, bright yellow. Okay, and I'll share some facts about the sun. So the sun is a star. It's a big ball of hot gas, and it's the center of our solar system. So it's the closest star to Earth, and it gives us light and heat. Now, if we didn't have the sun, life on Earth would not exist. Okay, so we are very fortunate to have the sun. Okay, it's important for life on Earth because it provides seasons, weather patterns, and energy for plants to grow. Okay, so it's much larger than the Earth. So it is over 1.3 million Earths. So over 1.3 million Earths could fit inside it. That's how big it is. And it is around 4.6 billion years old. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. I'm also going to shade in the little eyes here with a bit of the pink. I have a cute joke. What is the sun's favorite day of the week? Sunday! Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Okay, so I cut out the sun. Now, all you have to do with a piece of paper, you're going to fold the paper in half, just like that. Then you're going to fold it again. Just like that. Okay. And for our card, okay, you're going to glue it. So here's my glue stick. I'm going to glue it here, center it. Okay, and then in the inside, you can write U, so Y for you, R, A, R, E, so my, M, Y, and then sunshine, S, U, N, S, H, I, N, E. You are my sunshine. And then you can sign your name. Okay? So you can give this to anyone for a special occasion. It's a nice little kind card. You are my sunshine. Okay, my friends. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Until next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.